Earth's Rock Stars, the 12 Apostles, and Moiriki Boulders. Now, let's go to Cocoa Beach on New Zealand's South Island. Here, the Moiriki boulders look like giant stone beach balls. These concretions formed millions of years ago when minerals stuck together and got bigger over time. Their round shapes and cracked surfaces stand out on the beach. Some are as wide as 3 meters. That's about the size of a small car. Scattered along the sand, these boulders look almost like they came from another planet. With cracks running through them, they are shaped like huge eggs. According to Maori legends, the boulders are remains of food baskets from a large canoe that broke apart nearby. These stories add a special touch to the beach. Visitors today love walking around the boulders and taking fun photos with their strange shapes. The 12 Apostles and Moiriki boulders show how mighty and marvelous nature can be. Whether you like going on adventures, taking pictures, or learning about nature, these places are sure to impress you. Maybe one day you can visit them and see these wonders in person.